Hi, I'm Steve Loudenbach. Did you know I have personally trained thousands of people all over the country how to sell home improvement products to people all over the country? I'm looking for you to come and learn to make just one company online, and that way you can make your very first company profitable, just one. Then you can repeat the process over and over again. It really doesn't matter what type of business you would like to start and grow. Also, it doesn't matter if you are new and you need help. I have added over 30 different products and services that you can learn from, and you can also promote any of the products and services on our page that you like that you can also promote to make money with, or you can bring your own. And the best part of all of this, you make money. My very first job that I had was back in elementary school. And my teacher asked me one day if I would like to sell M&Ms for a fundraiser. I didn't know what I was doing, but I said yes. I was then given two big boxes. One was regular M&Ms, and the second box was the peanut M&Ms. So when I went home, I hit every house on my street. And guess what? I sold out. This was the first time that I learned about law of averages. The more people you see, the more sales you make. Oh, by the way, I did win second place 2 years in a row, and I made a lot of money when I was that young. It was more money than we are now. And this concept of law of averages, it still holds true for today for any product. I would like to help you make just one business that you can use any of the 30 plus affiliate links that I've already made for you on our site. Or you can use your own. It's that simple. So let's keep it simple. If you'd like to learn more, click the link in the description and let's go ahead and get you started today.